Okay. It's going to be a four-strand knot, and this is called the Aries. Okay, we grab our right cord first. We go over the core and down through B. Take it out to the left. We take our left cord, go over the cords and down through B. Take it to the right. Okay, we grab our right beige cord. We go under, out through C, and across to the left. Okay, we grab our left cord. We go under, out through A, and to the right. We're going to grab our right beige one. We're going to go underneath the cords from the first loop, and we're going to go under the loop and out through C. Then we're going to go in through the loop and out to the right. I'm just exaggerating the moves. We'll cut it up for the next one. So with our left cord, we're going to go underneath the core, underneath all the other cords. We're going to go out through A and down through the loop on the left. Okay, now we're going to start pulling. We're going to grab the two inner strands over here, and we're going to pull up. I'm going to pull our green a little bit more, pull our strands up again, pull our green a little more, pull our strands a little more, and let's push it up. Now let's pull our beige cords. Okay, now that it's tight, let's pull our green cords. Let's check that the beige is still pretty tight. Okay, let's pull our green cords. Now, these beige cords are still through the green loop. Now we're going to keep it that way because during the whole bracelet, this pull is going to be important, which they don't tell us. So, now that we have it kind of tight, we're going to pull on the beige cords, and now we don't need the beige cords anymore. So now we pull on the green. Okay, pull on the green. Let's make sure this is tight. Okay, that's our first knot. Let's go again. We grab the green cord. It's actually green and black, so let's just call it black. Go with our black cord over and in through B. We're going to grab our left cord over all of them, over the core, down through B, and to the right. And it's over the cord on the right. We're going to grab our beige cord. We're going to go underneath, out through C, and we pull it out and to the left. We're going to grab our left cord. We're going to go underneath, out through A, over all the other cords, and to the right. Okay, now we pull our beige cords a little bit. We're going to go once again underneath all the black cords, out through C, and in through the loop on the right. So we'll just go like this. Okay, we have this step. Now we're going to do the same thing on the left. We're going to go underneath all the cords, out through A, and through the loop on the left. Okay, start pulling a little bit. Now we grab these cords, pull up a little bit, let's tighten up a little bit, pull hard. We're gonna want to tighten that up. Okay, let's pull our green cords. Let's pull our beige again up. Once I get the pull, we'll be okay. Alright, so now we pull our beige cords out and we pull our greens. Okay, let's go with our next knot. Grab our right cord, we go over and down through B. Going to grab our left black cord, we're going to go over this cord on the one that came from the right, down through B. Going to form our loops again. This is our first loop. Now we grab our beige cord on the right, we go under, out through C, and of course now you know that it's between these, and we go to the left. Grab our left cord, we go under, out through A, over the cords, and to the right. Tighten up the beige a little bit. Now we go under this part here, and out through C, and through the loop on the right. Now we grab our left cord, we go under, out through A, and through the loop at the left. One other way is to pull this up, keep it there. Okay, so we start pulling up. Push it up. Now we start pulling pretty tight. Okay, pull on the green a little bit. Let's make sure this is tight. Okay, let's pull our green again. Let's push it up. Okay, let's get the beige out of the way, and we pull our green one. Okay, there's our next knot. Okay, let's go for the next one. And okay, grab our right cord, over, down B, to the left. Left cord, down B, and to the right. Right cord, under, out through C, and to the left. Left cord, under, out through A, and to the right. Okay, we're going to go right cord, underneath, out through C, and through the loop on the right. Left cord, under, out through A, and through the loop on the left. Okay, let's start this again. Still think we have to pull there, but let's try it out. Okay, let's pull tight on this, pull tight on this. Seems pretty good now. Okay, let's pull the beige, let's pull the green, and that's the pull I wanted. Okay, that's it. Keep going till the end of the bracelet.